It's Scott over at Home Depot checking out aeration wheels and also an aeration machine. This one here is 240 pounds. You divide the weight by 2 because you've got the front wheel there and the back wheel here. So that weight divided by 2 is 120 pounds. Each time, there's 5 of them on a rack being pushed into the ground. Each time then is putting 24 pounds of weight onto the ground at a time. Now, you might say, well, I've got one wheel, one time pushing into the ground. The average lawnmower is 70 pounds at 21 inches. The DeWalt lawnmowers that are 21 inches, battery, those are also 70 pounds. Now, you're gonna say, I don't know, man. You get 35 pounds on each time going into the ground? Absolutely you do. So what I've got here is a 20-pound box of ammunition and a scale. So what we're going to do is prove my theory right, which is check and see how much weight is transferred onto the aeration tines. And you can see here very quickly it jumps up to 36.6 pounds. Okay, so we're going to put the box of ammunition on the back there, simulating a bag of grass. You then see here that it's dropped by 33 pounds weight on the front of the aeration tines. So it looks like what you want to do is operate your aeration wheel with a emptier bag. Check us out on Green Scott on YouTube. Subscribe. Thanks for your time.